Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, yeah, people, every day we're getting one more step closer in finding out how much years dancehall artist Squash is going to get. You see what I say? As you know, today we found out that he finally was assigned a probation officer. Yeah, some Spanish girl out in Miami, you see what I say? The feds have placed to the judge the recommendations and all of this stuff. You see what I say? You already know, he said I'm never getting no love other than them dropping one charge. You see what I say? We found out the sentencing date also, right? We're going to find out if he's going to spend the whole 15 years or 5 or 3 and the 3 years supervised, release with the probation. November 24th, yeah, 2025, you see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, right around Thanksgiving Day, a day that people use to spend with them family and things, you know what I mean? As you can see in front of you, you can read the recommendations and all of this stuff. I'm not going to read it all torn about, like me said, and put in the order for the judge to sentence Squash. November 24th. You know what I mean? As you know, this is not a good look for him because it's not over, because he pled guilty to being a gang leader. You feel me? And that's all really what the feds wanted out of this case. That's why they didn't present no other new cases on him, because they're going to charge him for your RICO in a J-Man's case. Know that he admitted to being the 6th gang leader. As you know, Squash is all over J-Man documents, because I'm an informer too. You see what I say? So it's really not a good look, because that carries, the death penalty. It's a capital homicide charge. And so if him get deported now too, he might go face judgment with Bro God and Horace Chang for shipping weapons from USA back home. So I'm just giving them a quick update for I go on for to go and look out in that November 24th to see where I might get, you see me? Yeah. Now keeping up with Squash, as you know, his mom's is, try snitching on World Dawg. Basically, she's warning, street shoulders out here that the dog a snitch. And he's been giving statements on Squash. And it's going to be revealed when these cases with, these people who are dropped off from a day gets put forth in out of court. Right? So, only people that's privy to this information really know what go on for that to go on. So this is why she's feeding bloggers information about World Dawg, snitching. So let's take a look at this latest video and we'll proceed with the next.
So the more people saying today's video we're going to talk about World Dawg getting accused of being the person to leak some information about Squash to the police them, which ultimately led to the entertainer getting arrested. So may I play the video and you can tell me what you think. Also, Squash mother leak out a message that was sent to World Dawg, and this is after I make some comments about Squash mother. You see, responding to World Dawg, yes my people, Squash mother I respond to World Dawg, I call her name, and the reason why World Dawg I call her name is because she did up on a live stream with some people who call World Dawg informer and them thing. They understand me. I say so World Dawg never like that, and they don't know him say some things and Squash mother respond. Also, I'm gonna play a video where she show a message with somebody. She also said something in the video as well, but she show a message with somebody. It's I want her son them. I don't know if I Squash or for some other son. I send a message to World Dawg. I say, him not, him mother na company internet and a big and ray. So let me read the article here first before I'm showing that video. There you see it. So the story is saying Squash mother respond to World Dawg amid ongoing 6-cam tension. A fresh wave of controversy has erupted in after popular Jamaican TikToker World Dawg publicly criticized Mama Shelly, whose real name is Shelly Ann Millwood, the mother of 6-bar Squash. A video circulating online shows World Dawg voicing frustration over Mama Shelly's association with individuals who, according to him, have branded him as an informer on social social media. The dispute stems from recently recalled shots fired by Chronicler, who questioned the Six Camp lack of retaliation for the unaliving of Joe, a close associate of World Dawg, who was conned up and taken out in October 2024. In a recent diss aimed at Malidan, Chronicler provoked tension with the line, "How comes nobody not dead back for Joe Dawg?" World Dawg, who was injured during the same conning that claimed Joe's life, expressed bitterness about the lack of support he has received from the six members since the incident. While addressing Mama Shelley directly, he stopped short of outright disrespect but made his disappointment clear. A true Joe passed away, the whole of them attacks are now, World Dawg said, as he detailed that Joe is one of the most grimy person he know. Look how much time me a fight for six. Squash, you ever see none of them come out and say nothing yet? All six mother in a box with people where I say era informer. You ever hear six mother say no, era are not informer, or no need for go with no little corruption businessman? He argued further, suggesting that Mama Shelley was aligning with the enemies for clout. In her response, Mama Shelley defended herself, stating that she has never spoken negatively about World Dawg and questioned why he would harbor resentment if he and Squash were truly friends. What kind of thing that if you say you want Squash a friend, what kind of hate you care for me, World Dawg? You should have shame on yourself. Remember, me never yet try to put you down. Me defend you right through, she declared, before warning World Dawg to not let her talk more stuff about him. Don't let me go there, she outlined. Mama Shelley clarified that she would not label World Dawg an informer, nor she would defend him without knowing all the facts surrounding the situation. She further explained that her interaction with individuals perceived as his adversaries were not out of malice, but rather to offer encouragement, stressing that they never disrespected her. The back and forth between current and former members of Six Crew as Squash sits in jail highlights growing divisions around the Six Camp, with lingering grief over Joe's passing and heightened scrutiny of allegiances fueling the latest chapter in the ongoing feud. So yeah, my people, remember me also telling you, say, Squash Mother did put up a video today, and this is what she basically say.
Well, dog, the amount of ties from me see in the spin and it click by your head. So sit down, me see you do forget gift. You can't see them thing about Shelly wanna live by TikTok, bro. You're rude, World Dawg. You don't know nothing about me, bro. Go on where you go see God, man.
Yeah, man, and of course, you can see the little message where I talk about, say, my mother never have to come on media and beg her, TikTok or whatever. You understand what I say? But we don't know which one our son that. Of course, you know, you have Squash, you have Bobby Six. We don't even know all our youths them. But nevertheless, my people, that's how we should post.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where you think about that. No, you know, she said Blam Blam was the real snitch, Pan Squash too, you know. Right, so Email's talking to Blinger, and me here, she bring up Squash name, so let's hear what go on, you see.
You know when somebody Zelle or cash up you?
Voila, we dirty World Dawg. I know we say I got take out too much care and can't pay for them a month time and for the thief. Cause suck your mama and carry people money go give them. Cause I know we say I got take out 1 dozen car and 1 dozen house. And can't pay for them a month time and for the thief. Go suck your mama. God said don't live behind your needs. I know we say I got do that dog shit. Dog bed, batty boy. We need to go live behind your needs. Batty boy. Go suck your mama pay, man. Batty
you can't talk. You can't. Look here, you can't talk without a cuss. Make we try see if we can go in our case a little bit. You can't talk without cuss.
Come we do it, come. Go on.
Alright, so the man say he did want the link for Squash to get 2 dub, right? Him say no, allegedly. Him give Chippy 1,300, but Chippy only give 300 for him dub and 1,000 for the dub from Squash. Him say Chippy only give Squash 5 bills. Then he go back again and him say he talk to Squash. And Squash I tell him say only 5 bills him get and him not deal with anything. Him not get no more money from the man for do no dub. So just 1 dub him didn't do that time then now. The next 2 dub when get from Squash and the mother him go through. So me I say, Brands, big up yourself. So me I say to myself, say, how Chippy if you make something like this happen pan him name? Cause me tired to tell World Dawg say he's a brand, you know, but it come like him not hear me.
They don't say World Dawg or low life. You know, they don't know that. Eh?
Me not gonna say my low life blame them. Me just not understand why me call them something I call for him name and them something there, because the thing about it, man not gonna use it for do no more dub for them, and the brother say more people in the room, in the chat group have things for settle. So me say, Chippy, I make this
Come for me life. Yo, family, come me bring him down in dirty blood clot. And me and Sean come for me life. Contact. Cause bling at them and roll like a friend. Come over here so me help and yam him down. Bring him down in
yes,
dirty
it's
blood clot.
alright. Yes, it's true. You and World Dog and a friend. You know, listen to the two story. Me I say World Dog need to come clear him name. Me not take up fame. But as I said, need to come clear him name because you what now. This no look good.
Yeah. Well, World Dog figure suck him and pay him money. You're a dirty drunk. World Dog and I'm gonna go live behind your knees. The two bomb buckler, worthless and kills, dirty dog shit. Yeah, problem I come left, right, and center and ready in Jamaica. Everywhere blood clot problem if you say you're drunk, but you cannot jump in a one hole and lock up your blood clot self. You look a dirty dog bed. Everywhere bomb buckler go your cause problem, all dirty drunk you. Eh? And you cannot just carry on your blood clot self and just melt yourself, all waste batty boy. All dirty worthless boy. Yes, they are drunk, all dirty low life. Live behind your leads. Stop live behind your leads. Stop behind your leads. Stop behind your needs. Stop live behind your means. Live behind your leans. Live behind your leans. Live behind your means. Live behind your means. Live behind your means. Live behind your leans. Batty boy, or dirty drunk, you to blood clot what this and kill this. Batty boy. Eh? We are taking man, you're a scammer. Eh? We're gonna go scam white people, dirty drunk. Eh? Thief and thief, God laugh, cause suck your mama. Oh, dirty low life boy. Boy, you see how you go on to your drunk. I'll batty Zozo. Listen to me, let me tell you this, sir. Zozo, they wish dead for me, no blinger. Zozo says squash them for wall me and analyze me, no. That Zozo say, no. Remember that him, I'm frustrated me and saying go over me, no. Zozo, me will catch you before you go over man, pussy. Go show you something. Me will catch you before, you not get figure over man, me will black, me make a... Listen to me, me I got guarantee I got dead before you go over man. Suck your mama. Ask the people, who know me when Zozo are saying go make man over me. Eh? Saying go over man for me. Eh? Suck your mama Zozo. Or you go over man for your mother man, batty boy. Left it, or me I left him alone, me not do
Me I go add my credits, Mrs. Yeah, me I go add my credits, Mrs. Sheridan request. Don't cause sorry here.
No, the pan live with a dirty workless girl. You can go on.
Bling
Why?
bling open.
Why?
No, the pan live with them low life. You go suck your mama mackerel.
Bling bling.
Bring a wagon. Me no use the word like thief man money. Me no use the word like thief man money.
Before we go on that story there, Zozo tell me, say, I show me a vibes, I say, you forgot for PM or something, why really go on this so?
You know what the drunk and then when people do that batty boy, and I say boy they a madman, I broke and they look something from me. Remember saying no, me send him much lion when I match. And the batty and me beg you boy do ads to me. And him a tell life for me, I pay me for pay him. Go suck him man. I lie him a tell me, tell a batty boy if you not call me name. Me can't show you much text send my beg me for your boss.
Alright, wait. So I never know promotion him for do.
If you just do a video and go suck him,
Yeah,
that's a
have
promotion.
agreement.
There ain't no argument to give him the money. I lie him a tell. I lie him a tell. See that? See batty boy over the text.
I must say the video go viral. Which the video go viral.
You know go viral. See that? Him send me a number like I'm a batty man. See that? Him send me a number. I never ask him for a number. See that? So me no want expose his number. Him send his number come. Look. You see, no, you have to say me ask him for his number. He must send me a number like I'm a batty man.
So you not owe him no money then?
Owe money. Look here. I from 2024 my text on my phone like he fuck man. See there? From 2024 batty boy text on my phone. Like those are gonna suck him and call me name. Me not owe him nothing. And me owe him damn pay. Me not owe the batty boy $1. When me stand from what a drunk they not. Me can't owe me can't owe dirty people. Eh? Me can't owe dirty low life people like them. Me can't owe after me no want all of some long for me. Because suck him and no call me name. You don't want to waste all of us come long for me. Eh? Then in my right mind, if him a beg something beg, you know, then no call me one buckle on him and go suck him. Then the batty boy, when him a beg, then if he beg and go on, if he tell a lie for me. If him a beg, him beg. Now tell a lie for me, batty boy, go suck your mama. All dirty dog shit. Dog bed. All of them are living in my shadow. Remember, see me first start cause people and go along bad and all of them to follow. They look, I try to get a bus off. You can't try out China master, batty boy. Cause suck your mama. Remember, see I'm your idol, batty boy. All dirty grass mite. Drunker, dirty low life. I say, hey, batty boy, go and call up my name, man. My you threat me no so. Now every TikTok can't tap me from doing nothing, batty boy. Me I go click, wait, I show yourself in the ramp with my batty boy. I say nobody on TikTok, me not busy about cancel, because I have my money. So if they don't like me, me no click live, me good. Suck no man, you can't chat. Remember say girl, if you dead in us also. Remember good. Remember you say girl if you dead. Oh.
Alright, let him know. What you that tell me, say no?
Yeah, see where like woman 1,000, take him man money. Say more give him double and me man money, you know see it?
Him come here this morning, you know, but here the problem what me have now. Yesterday, me ask him how much money, him say 4,002. So, me want him to send me proof of the 4,002.
The man not tell like on real lad, you want to record him. Real lad figure suck him.
No, me never say, him a tell lie no. Me just a say, if we could assist.
Yeah, big things are going on. That's why we're not going along with this no longer. But do the right thing and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and press all there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.